What job sites?
So we're going to hit all the job sites in Hernando County that we can hit in the next 2.5 hours. It's about all I'm giving us, 2.5 hours, okay? I think we'll probably be able to hit 6.
That's what I said. Look at that.
Yeah, maybe 6, maybe 7. Depends on if Regan wants to get out and do something talking in front of everyone. We could probably just do a couple drive-bys, but
I'll do
see what
whatever
we can do.
I'll do wherever you say. Let's go. 47 bucks. Let's go. Should have been 43.
All right, so this next one that we're going through right now is a job that we just got the permit back on. Going to be a mother-in-law suite edition for an awesome couple. Reagan's going to pass it at 50 miles an hour again. Stop, stop, stop. Oh,
Where is it at?
it's right here. The
Right here.
homeowner's home. I don't want to bother him, but we are starting that job probably within the next 4 or 5 days.
Nice. So that's what it, so tell everyone what the addition is.
So the addition is actually going to go ahead and convert their garage and add on about another 600 square feet. That's going to be a mother-in-law suite addition for her elderly parents that are moving in with her.
And to give everyone a perspective of cost for that today, we are at.
You're going right, by the way.
Thank you.
That one, I would have to check our actual cost on it. We're probably somewhere in the 120 to 140 range.
Which is ridiculously reasonable
Yeah.
for an addition in today's world, especially a mother-in-law suite.
Yeah.
So
your mother-in-law suite's the same thing. You got added bathrooms, you've got a kitchenette that's going in there, you got a bedroom space. You're gonna pass the next one too. This is make it right.
all right.
So our next job is only a couple blocks away from that one, and it's gonna be one that you've seen us at before. This is the
This is when I turn into the Hulk.
exactly Reagan hates pollen.
Reference that.
So here we are. You're gonna wonder why we haven't done anything. Be very careful. This soil's so soft. We had to go ahead and have it recompacted.
I won't do that then.
So you see our sign there. It's missing our permit box now. Somebody's ripped it down probably. But what we had going on is a turtle that was out here that we could not get rid of for the longest time. So what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna have to re-grub this lot because it's been a while. You see a little bit of growth back on there. We're gonna re-grub it. We're gonna go ahead and recompact it. And then probably within the next week or two, we're coming out here and start setting forms.
What a beautiful view though it's going to be when
Yeah.
it's all said and done. All right, on to the next. Let's
On to the next one.